Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add Google Authenticator to Amazon. This extra layer of security helps protect your account from unauthorized access, so let's get started. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. First, open your web browser and go to Amazon.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, hover your mouse over Account and Lists in the top right menu bar. Then select Account. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage all your Amazon preferences and security options. Next, click on Login and Security. This section is where Amazon keeps all the important settings related to how you access your account and what protections are in place. It's the control center for your account's safety. Now look for two-step verification. Right beside it, click Turn On. This is the feature that will allow you to add that extra layer of protection to your Amazon account, making it much harder for anyone else to access it, even if they somehow get your password. In the top menu, click Two-Step Verification Settings. This will open up the options for how you want to set up your two-step verification. Amazon gives you a few different methods to choose from, but we're going to focus on using an Authenticator app. Click Add New Phone or Authenticator app. This will bring up the options for adding a new device or app to use for your two-step verification. Since we're setting up Google Authenticator, we'll focus on the app option. Click Use an Authenticator app. This tells Amazon that you want to use an authentication app like Google Authenticator instead of receiving codes via text message. It's generally more secure and works even when you don't have cell service. Read all the instructions on the screen. If you want to view more details about which apps are compatible and where to download them, click Need an App to see where and what app you need to download, including Google Authenticator. This will give you direct links to download the app from your phone's app store. Download Google Authenticator on your phone, then scan the QR code that appears on your Amazon screen. The Google Authenticator app will use your phone's camera to scan the code, which automatically sets up Amazon in the app. This QR code contains all the information needed to link your Amazon account to the Authenticator. After scanning, enter the OTP that appears in your Google Authenticator app, then click Verify and Continue. This one-time password confirms that everything is working correctly and that your phone is successfully linked to your Amazon account. And that's it. You've successfully added Google Authenticator to your Amazon account for enhanced security. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.